Hello everyone. Um, I'm just checking the sound settings and the resolution settings. Yeah, looks like Twitch gave us all the possible resolutions. That's nice. Okay, everything seems like enough so far. I mean, um, the resolution seems okay. The sounds seems okay. Yeah, everything seems great so far. That's nice. Yeah, everything seems great so far. I'm not dropping any frames, and the music sound is quite enough. Looks like, at least. That's nice. I mean, it looks, everything seems okay so far. Sean, hello, welcome, good morning. It is almost 9 p.m. in Turkey right now. Okay, everything seems okay so far. Maybe we should just start a clash right now. Yeah, let's just start a new clash. Let me try to custom my exclamation mark link commands. Where's the move with custom commands? Here you go. And let's start a private clash. Not the shortest one. Again, let's start a new one. I just copy the link and updated my command, so you can type exclamation mark link to the chat to get the current link. Okay, it's nice. I'm barely starting the day here in California. Oh, okay, that's nice. So you can type exclamation mark link to the chat to get the current link. Maybe we just streamed too early. I mean, not a lot of people actually seems online right now. Is this goes to notification on our Discord channel also? Let me check our Discord channel. There will be a notification also there. Source, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. How are you? Crow, hoş geldin. Selamlar. Wow, really not a lot of people online right now to flashing codes. Maybe they are on the other streamers stream, who knows. Okay, yeah, there's a notification goes to our Discord channel also. That's nice. Studio Boss, selamlar, hoş geldin. Evet, biraz biliyorum. Belki bizim Discord kanalında sorabilirsen Studio Bot oradan yardımcı olabilirler. Okay, not a lot of people seems online so far. Wow, no one seems online so far. That's really strange. I mean, how many people are streaming right now? There are 3 people right now streaming. Oh, Zappa also streaming right now. Maybe that's why we don't have any player right now. That's really strange. Not a lot of people seems online so far. Will we end the stream, by the way? I mean, since no one's still joining. Maybe we just need a little bit more. Get the link, by the way. You can type !link to the chat to get the current Clash link. Sean, you can people can choose which language they are comfortable while we are clashing. I mean, I am soloing with C#, which is the most familiar language for me, at least. But in coding game and specifically Clash of Code, there are no limitations. I mean, they support a lot of programming languages. Yeah, you can choose, I mean, which language you want, and there is a which is right in the here and another section, FAQ page probably. And this one, there's a page, FAQ page here, and you can coding game supports a lot of different programming languages. I don't know why it's not opening, but oh yeah, you can see Bash, C, C++, C Sharp, Clojure, D, Dart, F Sharp, Java, JavaScript, Go, Kotlin, Objective-C, and PHP, Perl, Python, Ruby, Rust, Scala, Swift, TypeScript. As you can see, there are a lot of programming languages that's supported by the coding game. So you can choose and which language you are comfortable with. Wow, there is no really online people, looks like. Maybe we should end the stream. What do you say, guys? I mean, not a lot of people seems online so far. GD, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. How often do these challenges? My favorite is C# but don't like to feel competitive today. I try to stream probably 3 or 4 times every night in GD. I mean, usually. Yeah. Oh my god, Pins saved my life. It's finally. After 10 minutes waiting, somebody will join at least. I almost end the stream before you come here. Not a lot of people seems online so far. Maybe that's part of the problem, but I don't know honestly. Oh, what is this? I didn't get this one. Theos, welcome. Oh my goodness, I don't see anything. Um, Rage, yeah. I mean, that's not the case. Evet, Crow bu uymuyor mesela ona. Okay. Yeah, I probably gave up also in a minute. That is so weird. I mean, this test case does not even... How does it generate 8 here? Oh, maybe... What is that? Oh, CO sold this one. I mean, how is this one generate 8? I mean, it's the binary representation of some kind of, I was thinking, but that's not the case, looks like. For example, zero count, total sum of zero counts in their binary representation, for example, but that's not the case, looks like. Yeah, I mean, I'm not sure really. Yeah, I give up also. I mean, I can't see anything, honestly. I just submitted. I'm the only one left. So let's check how CEO solved this one. You all get the sum. If the sum is even, that means result is... Oh. If this is even, multiple by the number count. If it's odd, add the number count on that sum. No, I mean, I don't know. Is this really nice question for a reverse mode? I mean, I'm not sure, honestly. So it's some kind of, if it is, for example, if it is not divisible, or if it is not divisible by 13, you just add 56. Or if it's not divisible by 29, multiple by 120, something like that. I mean, I don't like this kind of questions. It's boring. Difficulty, it is perfect, but it's quite boring, honestly. Test cases, maybe cases, I don't know. Maybe I say average. But for starting from some of them, maybe sometimes I'm thinking, okay, they just maybe created some random rules for that. Anyway, let's start back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and updated my command, so you can type exclamation mark link to the chat to get the current link. And I mean, I don't know, it just really seems weird to me, honestly. Is this really a programming question, or just you just need to think and the question contributor? I mean, I don't know. Oh, on the contributions page, last contribution is mine. A reverse clash if you want to attempt. Okay, let's check it, maybe. We just need to wait a few little more. Why my internet connection is so slow for tonight? I mean, that's weird. Maybe just my computer. My laptop is so... Mine as well as from time to time. I mean, it's not a coding game probably, it's my connection. But... Where are you, pins? Where are you? Oh, Alice, another. Will it, for example, it be pinned? Yeah. Base what, right? This one, probably. Is this one? Why I can't see here? Huh, base what? Theos, thank you. Have a good night. Base what? So what is the 2 is the number of 0 or 1, right? Or which is oh, okay. Which is include this base 8, all the digits that can include. And you just need to get the base 8 for 1337, right? Yeah, I mean, this was like a... Maybe this one... These ones give people clue. Since all the other things as well, and these ones, for example, maybe they just try to some base, using some base, but I mean, it's a nice question. I think people get... where's the upvote button? Here. I mean, people get like it, probably. Oh, there's a... Wait a second, what is this? Oh, there's a textual representations are also. Wait a second, what is... Test 3 should be also easy to see what needs to be done. It gets more difficult as it goes. Oh, okay, these are the validators. Oh, these are then, for example, 4-2, oops, flash starts. 4-2, these represent 0 and this represents 1. Oh, okay, that's nice. Now I understand what is going on. Yeah, that's nice. I already uploaded it. Another reverse mode. I wish C# had some built-in this kind of expressions parser. Maybe I just need to write my own command here, custom method here. So maybe we just need to so no, that's not the range. So I will get all of them. Evet Crow, genellikle iyi ya bu web sitesi. Hani bildiğin programlama diliyle veya şey yapmak için, pratik yapmak için gayet iyi yani. Ians, you already give up? Let's start Wi-Fi. I really can't think. I am brain fried by now. Okay. So this is right method should work, for example, and risk count. If this right question, not question actually, expression count plus plus, I will say here. Then after completed all of them, console dot write. We can use string interpolation here. Oh, there's a student name here. Student and got count divided by question amount. Yeah, I think this should work. Let's play all test cases. What is going on? Oh, because I just didn't arrange for all of them. This is the first, and this is play test case again. What is going on? Input string is not a correct format. On line 23. On line 5. Here. First one. Test case 2. Oh, there is no... Oxybytes, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. There is no star here. There is an X for the multiple. Oh, that was my mistake. I thought it was a star. It was an X for the multiple. Right? Yeah. Let's play all test cases again. That is nice. Perfect. Yes. Test all the test cases so I can submit it. It's fun. Difficulty is perfect. Test case relevancy are ideal. So I can submit it. Evet, bilgi teknolojileri tamamen remote şu anda. Let's back to home. Try to create some custom commands also. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and updated my command, so you can type !link in the chat to get the current link. Thank you, Sean. There seems 9 people and no one still wants to clash so far. That's weird. One more, yeah. Oxybytes, welcome. Okay, I'm currently learning JavaScript and never seen C#, but I'm happy that I was able to follow your code. Oh, that's nice. That's nice, John. Actually, yeah, I mean C# is not too much complicated, I think, and it's quite readable for the at least whoever try to practice for other languages. I mean, Pins, for example, sometimes he just using Java to practice, for example, and their syntax are quite similar. Umbra Talks, welcome. Okay, we are now 4 people. That's nice. Let's launch the clash. Maybe someone will join after we start it also. In a cyclic quadricle, sum of 2 opposites are the same for both pair of angles. Given 4 angles in an order, print the biggest angle of each pair in the descending order if they are composite cyclic quadricle, otherwise print angel bad. I don't understand. What does this mean? Cyclic quadrilateral. What does that mean? Watching the broke test is not a cheat, right? Oh no, of course. I mean, you can always watch it. But the largest angle of each pair in ascending order. Oh, there is a... Oh, I understand, I think. Hmm. Yeah. Like, it's cool to... Let's see. Console right line. Angel's breath. Otherwise, I just need to write. What? The descending, these are not? Oh, descending order. Oh. Okay, if there's a descending order, that means I have to write the biggest one first. And the second biggest one. Yeah, this should work fine. Let's play all test cases. Finally, yeah, you already got it. Oops. Test case 5 failed. Why? Oh, there should be OR here, which is not 360° for all of them. This isn't equal 360. There's all the cyclic quadrilateral will be the sum of all the angles are 360. Yeah, that's nice. So I can submit it. I mean, I just overthinking the question, probably. It's fun, difficulty is easy, statements and test case relevancy are ideal. Firas, welcome. Funk Club sandalyeyi alalı yıllar oldu ya neredeyse. Yani yıl değil de aslında aylar oldu diyebilirim. Bayağı bir ay oldu hatta. Thank you, Sean. Zappa is on also on. I think that's why we viewers are kind of divided. Yeah, probably. Karantinanın başında yoktu, evet. Karantinadan sonra aldım. Yani Şubat, Mart gibi başladı. Ben Nisan gibi falan almıştım bunu. See the Python solution. Sure. Let's check. Biraz... Yani evet, Mayıs ayında falan almıştım. Yeah, it's since people are still clashing here. Just 60%. Why? Um, oh, I think you misunderstand the question. First of all, it should be there. Some of the you should check the first one. Their sum is 360 or not, for example. Punks Club, ben de mesaideyim bütün gün. Saat 9'dan 6'ya kadar ben de mesaide oluyorum. Ya çok zorlanıyorum açıkçası. Öyle böyle değil yani. Benim için çok zor geçiyor bu yayınlar ama yani bilmiyorum, daha iyi yapabileceğim bir şey yok gibi. Yorucu oluyor çünkü 9 saat mesaiden sonra gelip bir de 3 saat burada, 2 saat, 3 saat şey yapmak yorucu oluyor yani. Firas, you can check Ambrators or Pins solution. Ambrators solve this one also. Yeah, exactly with the same way. Since it's a what was the name was cyclic, for example, there is a cyclic quadrilateral, if I can pronounce it quite nicely, and there to all the angles, some of the all the angles are should be like 360, as you can see here. Evet, o arada ben de yaşıyorum onu, Punks Club. Yeah, I mean, since it's a cyclic, that means all the angles are total should be 360. And for the last case, for example, this will break it. Dampacto, hello, welcome, how are you? Long time no see. You just subscribed me and I never saw you after it. Okay, we only 4 minutes left. Oxybites, we only waiting for you. be only 3 minutes left. Why is this still clashing? I mean, it's nice. For example, for a cyclic, that means it's a closed some kind of not the square, but the four. How? What is the meaning of that? What was the meaning of that? Quadrilateral. Yeah. Is it the perfect? No, it's a square. I close a square. It should be all the angles. Some of the all the angles should be 360. Oxy, are you still clashing, by the way? Are you continue? If you give up, I mean, you can just submit it, so we don't wait other people also. Okay, you didn't even pass this. You can check other people's, all the other people that's actually solved in Python, so you can check which one you want. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and I updated my command, so you can type exclamation mark link to the chat to get the current link. Let me invite Firas. But that's okay. I mean, there are all other people solving Python, so you can check their code also to learn how to solve this one, probably. Are we only two people right now? Okay, let's not wait too much people. Let's launch the clash. There's a reverse mode. Sahil, welcome. Hello. Times T times AB. That seems easy. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait a second. 1. I'll start with. Oh yeah, that's easy. Yeah. Okay, let's play all test cases. Quasimodo, welcome. Jack. Oops. Next out of range. Oh, not starting with 2. Not starting with 0. Oops. Oh, maybe there's a long here. Let's check for the long. I mean, probably I have an overflow exception for the last case. Yeah. So I can submit. That's nice. I mean, it's kind of busy. So everyone try to solve this one. I think they'll be successful. That's fun. I think its difficulty is perfect and test case relevancy are ideal. Oh, Sahil, I mean, you're right. I almost forgot it. You're right. Yeah, and after this question, we will get the contest also. There's a still you have a still chance to get, by the way, for the fall challenge contest. Let me check it. Yeah. Oh, maybe I just. Oh, I did. Looks like I deleted the command itself. Yeah. Yeah, I almost forget, man. Thank you so much for the remember. There's a how about exclamation mark contest still works? No, it doesn't work because I deleted the command. Oh my goodness. Maybe I just need to Gleemayo link. Let me check. Yeah, I just here found it. And you can still, with that link, Gleemayo link in the chat, to get the Udemy course, which Udemy course you want. I mean, there's really only 10 minutes left here, so you have still a chance while we are solving here. Oh, you're right, Firaz. You're right, yeah. Ön kodunu gösterebilir misin? Tabii göstereyim hemen. Yeah, Firaz, after this... Okay, maybe we should even do it right now. I don't even know honestly which who... maybe I just need to custom even the giveaway is ended. Maybe I just need to draw the challenge also. I mean, we should check it right now after this one. And this is the Python code also. But first of all, okay, let me check the Gleemayo here. And see who is the winner. Maybe there's a drum music here. Oh come on, why is it not loaded fast? Come on, why not feeding? Okay, only Oxy is still clashing, seems like. Finger crossed. Oxy, you can just submit it then. I mean, if you don't want to wait people, you can just submit it. Since it looks like it's still clashing. If you give up or don't want to solve this one, you just still... Okay, don't wait for me, you said, okay. I mean, why is this not loading? That's weird. Oh, finally. There's a 139 actions here. And let's check who is the winner. Oh, come on, man. Oh, that just sucks. Yeah, the competition is ended, and let's check who is the winner. And one winner is unpicked. Okay, let's draw the winner. Good luck, everyone. Winners to draw one, and let's draw the winner. Drum roll, yeah. Oh my goodness, this internet is killing me right now. And Lazar Vlad, congratulations, he visited on YouTube also, I mean, and he has a YouTube channel here, and yeah, congratulations. I mean, I try to maybe he will also one of my viewers on Twitch, and maybe not. I don't know, honestly. Maybe I will try to gift him. Yeah, congratulations, exactly. Is he our Twitch, one of the Twitch viewers? I mean, what was it? Twitch name. Export winners. What is this? Announce winner in widget. Avatar. Yes. Is there any way you do send him to notification on Glimayo? I mean, the clash is completed, by the way. Maybe I should do some... Oh my goodness, internet is killing me right now. Why it is so slow like that? I suppose you need to give an email to enter the giveaway, right? Am I? I mean, how can I know this hits which entries? Or maybe I should check like that. Is there any search button here for that? Yeah, maybe has no luck as usual. Congrats, Lazar. Or maybe I just send him an email. Probably he will visit my YouTube channel to win it like that. He's from Romania. That's nice. Export winners. What is the meaning of export winners? Is it some kind of exile? Yeah. Okay, that's nice. I will reach him and with sending an email probably. And it looks like he has only visited my YouTube channel only. He doesn't do anything. He doesn't even follow. Well, maybe he's not even followers on the Twitch also. He just visited my YouTube channel. That's why. That's the only way. That's the only one way to join it, and he won. Yeah, he seems like very lucky. Okay, that's nice. Congratulations, Lazard, again. And let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and updated my command, so you can type exclamation mark link to the chat to get the current link. Let's invite Firas also. I will reach him as an email later that. Okay, maybe almost 2 minutes passed. We are now 4 people. As you said, I mean, there are, I also like to join, but I'm pretty rookie. You guys saw like nothing. No, I mean, there are a lot of people who already doesn't even too much preparation for that. Let's launch the clash. And they are practiced. I mean, don't want to slow you guys down. I mean, there are only 15 minutes maximum waiting time. You got lost in a size 5 mini maze. And the goal is 3, always the same. The outside of the maze is always wall. Please lead to the goal in the shortest distance. The moving is method is familiar. Left, right, up, down. There's always one way to answer. Down, down, right, right. Okay, Sean, I mean, there are a lot of practices, by the way, on their homepage also. You can practice for other things. I mean, not for the Clash of Code. It will be very good for you, probably. The goal is 3-3 always. Down, down, right, right. Down, down, right, right. Down, down. Wait a second, no, down, right, right, down. Okay. Right, down, down, right. So there's always 2 right, 2 down, right, to reach from 1 to 1 and 3-3. Yeah. All the matters that okay, maybe we've always 5 to 5, so maybe I just need to define multi-dimensional array here. Is for j is 0, j less than 5 plus array I j is equal to line j right now. Oops. So but this test case only contains down and right. That's weird. It says for the moving method is familiar, left, right, up and down. Maybe it, even if the write it custom, maybe it will fail for the validation. Oh, there is always one way to answer. Okay, so maybe I just need to check the for. or index array 1 2 isn't equal sharp. That means all right, I need to write var if array 3 isn't equal that one, right? Are all oh, but for the other test cases, it will also complete the other ones as well. How to check which one is... Oh, if this is... Wait a second. If this is... Maybe I should write like... If this is dot, that means you should go right. Right? If this is dot... You should also go right. Maybe I just need to write here. If it is not, that means you have to go down. But since you came here, if there's a dot also, you just need to go right down because there is only one way to solve this one as a correct one. So if it is not dot, that means you have to go start with down, and after that you will get 2 1, and if array 2 2 is equal dot, that means you have to write right, otherwise 2 1, you just go down and go right. Go down and go right. Is this the correct way to solve this one? I think so. I mean, yeah, let's play all test cases. I didn't... What? Nothing. How this one write nothing? EDR says. It goes down in here. Okay. If I check here, it is go right. Wait a second. First one is Oh, you just wrote an entire DFS set. Oh, that's nice. Um, Wait a second. This is the DDR. The result expected DDR. Down. Isn't okay. If this is for the first choice, if this is the dot here, I should go right. If it is not, I should go down. So this is the second place here, and I should check the next one. 2 is dot, right R. If it is not, you should write down. And if you go here after that, you should write right here. For the second test case, oh, there's only one way. Oh, that means both down and are possible. I have to know which one should I go. Oh, you're right. Then Sahih is possible is the correct one. I mean, you can just calculate with this kind of calculation here. At least you can decide. You have to know which way you should continue probably. Yeah, there's exactly. There's too many options. I mean, I probably can't solve this one in time either. Yeah, I can just submit it. It's fun. The question itself is quite fun. The difficulty is some kind of little bit hard. Maybe not doesn't even aware to people for the DFS search. Statements and test case relevancy are ideal. So Sachi Jane, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Sure, I can show the Python code here. I didn't realize you can move only right or down. I took all the forward actions. Yeah, exactly. I mean, for the test cases, yeah, but maybe there are some other validations under the hood, so it would be better to case all of them. Yeah, this is a classic DFS, right? I mean, DFS does not have too much different kind of DFS, right? There's only one way to calculate DFS probably. Yeah, this is a usual DFS calculation, if I remember correctly. Okay, Sanjit and Arnav, welcome. Sanjit also welcome. Oh no, the clash is completed. As you can, if you check Sahil's code, I mean, it's really using some deep first search for all the possible ways and decide which one should go. Yeah, Crow, you can search deep first search on the internet. You can check whether it's... Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. And let's start a new one. I just copy the link and update my command, so you can type !link to the chat to get the current link. Let me invite Firas also. If you are now 4 players, that's nice. Cyrus, welcome. Okay, we are now 5 players. Let's not wait for too much people. Let's launch the clash. Given an input array of size and you try to determine if it's a full cycle array. What is mean of full cycle array? Array is said to be full cycle array if starting at any index of the array and jumping the number of elements indicated by the value of the current cell, every element of the array is visited exactly once before landing back to the starting index. That seems like a nice question. If a jump goes out of the array bounds, wrap it over the other side of the array. Oh, we can use module here. Considering a jump of the... -1 index, it's at its index 0, then it goes to the last element of the input array. Similarly, a jump between n-1 goes to the first element of the array. Starting from this, you can run through the following indexes. 1, oh, that seems like a hard problem to solve. No, not exactly the hard problem, maybe. Hmm. So what is the best way to check it, that every element is visited only once? Maybe we just need to assign it and other values, like for example int max value. Oh no, maybe I can use this one, for example. Starting at any index of the array. Oh, that seems kind of hard. Because I just thought that I should start with the first one and then goes on, but that's not the case here as far as I can see. How can I solve this one? Oh, he'll already solve this one. Mega, welcome. She also solved this one. But I don't know. I mean, oh, I should check for all the indexes. But the numbers that might represent the different ones. Penka, welcome. Or jumping the number of elements indicated the value itself. So for example, there's a -1 for the n when n equals to 5, it should be 4 index. But this should be for all the starting index in it. Yeah, this was a little bit hard for me, honestly. I think. Or not. But what if I need to calculate only the first index, starting with the first index? If the first index works, maybe I just need to. The other ones should also work also for a cyclic array. Am I thinking wrong? I mean, I really should check all the starting in all the different indexes as a starting point. Can I make an assumption like that? So if this is the if this is the full cyclic array for the first index, then it should pass to rest of them. Can I make an assumption like that? Right, of course, checking from the first index is enough. Yeah. Maybe I just need to iterate for all of them, then get the module of that number, and I should um, um, wait a second, maybe these are the inputs here? No. These are the strings ones. So var is new inputs length. Maybe it's max value. Roll array all is value true, otherwise false. Oh, it should maybe mod mod n here. Wait a second, v less than 0. That means v plus n. Otherwise, me what n. Maybe I can write this one. Don't work. Good night, Brass. See you later. Yeah, I mean, it was fun actually. I mean, the question itself quite nice. Built and statements and test case elements are ideal. Let me check the Tahir code. And a0 n or a minus n print false while length visit with here less than n. So there's a I plus AI module n. Okay, so let's check Megas code then. List map into split in while true if not I and not in s. It means s append I mod in. Oops. Sorry about that. So E is plus equal to A E modem. So you can check, after all, you can check their length, which are equal or not. Yeah, that seems like a very nice approach. Ateist bu akşam yok. Bu akşam programlamaya ilgili yapıyoruz. That's nice. I mean, Vegas solution is really quite nice. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. And I just copied the link and stated my command, so you can type !link to the chat to get the current link. We are now 4 player right now. Okay, let's not wait for other people here. Let's launch the clash. You are given a list of probabilities in percent. Given the probability pair to randomly pick a value is the equal to probability of Q to pick this value in a list. Example 10, 25, 50, 50. The probability up to pen is the 25%. Not equals Q. What's the Q? The probability Q to pick the values in itself. Okay, the probability pick is equals probability 50 is 50. So those probability to get the value equals the probability of this 75, which is the total equals. Okay. This seems like a easy one. Value itself, and I have to for each double result is 0 for each var probability in list distinct. So he already solved this one. to um, hundreds multiple by count equal to p self and divided by a list count. That means I have to result plus equal to equal to p here. And after that, I just need to write. I'll write these. Yeah, this should work. I mean, let's build test cases. It does not exist. Oh, it's not p, it's a result. Build test cases. Aha, this is always 0. Multiple by, which is a converting to floating point division. That is nice, so I can submit it. Don't take the distinct values, but the... Never mind, you can just multiple each result with the count term. Exactly, Sahil. I mean, I will only take the distinct values, so I just need to calculate the probability of itself. So I maybe, because if I didn't take the distinct values, I might count the same number more than once. It's fun. I like the question itself. I mean, it's exciting. Even I can say exciting. Difficulty is perfect. Statements and test case relevancy are ideal. Payal, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Can you help me? This depends on a lot of things. Penka solved this one also. That's nice. Oh, come on, man. You just don't do that. I mean, it's like it seems like a homework, honestly. You should solve your homework problem yourself, not to strangers on the internet. I mean, you can ask. No, I mean, that's not fair. I mean, you just need to, you don't even to try to solve this, man. You just, you don't ask specific questions. Even you should ask in Google first, but you just came here and posted all the text in the chat. So I mean, people are in the chat will be agree with me. I mean, you should always solve your homework to yourself, don't ask for the other people. By the way, your contributions are really nice. I mean, for myself at least, I'm giving you a VIP in my chat. Let me give you a VIP. Yeah, you are now VIP in my channel. Welcome. First you think you should figure out impossible cases, and it's just a matter of recursion. Yeah, yeah, Panka seems helpful. You are welcome, Sai. You definitely deserve this one. Okay, CS gamer nerds, are you still clashing, by the way? Are we just waiting for you? Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum. Okay, and let's continue for the CS gamer nerds. I mean, yeah, let's call the for tonight. I mean, let me close this one. And thank you for all joining me tonight. Panka, Sahirox, and who are in the chat right now? And Crow, CS Gamer Nerd, Marco, Payol, Riot Such. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. And I'm gonna rate actually Zappa, which is also streaming right now. Yeah, I'm gonna rate Zappa since he's another coding game streams also. And yeah, I mean, thank you so much for let me write my social accounts. You can check my Twitter and YouTube also, and we have a little bit we have a small Discord channel also, you can see in the chat. And as I said, if you want to support my stream, you can always subscribe my channel. As you can see on the here, we have a subscription goal. And thank you so much for all, and have a good night, and bye bye.
We did it, everyone. Over the top. Look at that.